there, it's Mary from stampingmary.stampinup.net. Thank you for joining me today. Today's project features new products from the January to June mini catalogue from Stampin' Up. There's the catalogue, and it runs from the 5th of January through to the 30th or the end of June, and it features fabulous new products, and the one I'm going to be showing you today is on page 17, and it's Kangaroo Company. Oh my gosh, just look at that. It has coordinating dies to cut out these cute kangaroos and little joeys that fit in the pouch. I just love it. I just love it. Also, while this mini catalogue is running, we also have our celebration promotion. So for every $90 Australian that you spend from this catalogue or the main catalogue or even clearance items, you can choose a free item from the celebration catalogue. As I said, it runs through to the end of February, and there's also fabulous joining offers in there as well too if you are thinking about joining as a Stampin' Up demonstrator. So let me go ahead and show you how I made this project. It's just a little treat pouch, and you can fit in there maybe a little chocolate bar, or you could probably fit a nice little small tube of hand cream, or maybe even a lip balm. But it's just a cute little novelty gift holder really. But I wanted to showcase this gorgeous little cute stamp set. So I'm using this small die from here. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how I made it. So I'm using Coastal Cabana cardstock, which I've gone ahead and cut, and it measures 7.5 along the landscape and 3.5 down the portrait side. You'll also need a piece of designer series paper, or a couple of pieces, and I've already gone ahead and cut them. And this paper is from the Playful Alphabet stack, I think. It's a 6x6 designer series paper. And this piece here is 3¼ inches by 3¼ inches, and then for this little piece down here, another piece that's 3¼ but it's only an inch just for that little bottom piece. I've also gone ahead to save time using my stitched shape dies. I've cut out a square and a circle in Coastal Cabana and Crushed Curry, because that's the colours in here. To finish it off really, and then we'll finish off with some ribbon. And I've gone ahead and already die cut out these cute little images, but I'll show you those once we've put this together. So bring in your Simply Scored scoring tool and place your cardstock on the landscape side, and you're going to score at come up to the 4-inch mark and just count 2, so 4.2 for that one. Come along to the 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, go to the 5, then 5.7, which is 5 3/4, and then the 6, just past 6, so 6.2. So I'll put all the score marks that I've used for that one in the bottom of the description bar for the video. That's all the scoring you need to do. And then fold on all of those score lines. One. Okay. So how it goes together is these all fold up on themselves, back up to there and then over to here. But before we do that, we're going to put our designer series paper on, so that otherwise you won't be able to put the box together. So if you have a corner rounder, you could round the corners if you like at this point. I'm not going to bother to do it with this one. And I'm going to use my liquid glue, because just so that I know I've got this paper nice and straight. Here. Okay, pop that on there. And we're just going to give it a couple of minutes to dry. And then we're going to fold in. So all of these score likes that you've already folded and burnished, it just comes up together like this and folds in. So I'll just show you one more time. So all of these folded marks It all just folds in, and then back on itself. So it covers the bottom piece of that designer series paper. So the only thing you need to do is apply some good strong tape on here, and I'm going to use my Stampin' Seal Plus. You can use liquid glue, you can use tear and tape, as long as it's pretty strong. So fold in, and then bring that end up to here, and then come over and adhere. It's really easy, really, really easy. Let's put our designer series paper on there. Go. It's cute and bright, isn't it? Really cute. So like I said, I've already cut these pieces out, and I've gone ahead already and cut and coloured my little kangaroo. I coloured with my crumb cake stamping blends. The cute little party hat, which I used Bermuda Bay and Melon Mambo stamping blends, and then these cute little butterflies, and yes, there's a die for them, and I used Purple Posy, because Purple Posy is another colour in here. They are so cute, aren't they? I just think they are just super, super cute. So I'll just adhere this to here. I love these bright colours. All right, so our little, whoops, it wasn't quite dry, Mary. Give it another minute. There we are. So just put some dimensionals on the back here. So let's put our little Joey on here. Oops. Just in the middle. His cute little party hat, and I've put a mini dimensional on the back of that one already. Oh, so cute. And then these adorable little butterflies, which I'll do last actually. So let's pop this one on. You can pop this up if you want to with dimensionals. I'm going to leave it flat because I've put a lot of dimensionals on here already. Up to you. So just get that straight. I'm using that line to guide it, to straighten it, but I don't know if it's working. Yep, that's okay. Now at this point you don't have to put the little hole and the ribbon in. You could just leave it like that if you wanted to. I'm going to do that because I love this ribbon. This ribbon is actually from the Playing with Patterns ribbon combo pack, and this is the Playing with Patterns designer series paper, and it has the Purple Posy in the colour there and the Night of Navy. So just with any punch that you've got, just make sure you come down far enough so you're not cutting out the top bit there, and just eyeball the centre. There we go. But before I put that ribbon in, let me show you this little piece here. So originally when I made this box, I had used my stitch shape oval to cut this out, but after I'd made it, my new punch arrived, and this also is in the occasions, the mini catalogue from January to June, and it is a double oval punch, and look at here, it virtually matches that one. It's a little bit bigger, so I'm going to use that one today. I'm stamping the It's Your Day in Coastal Cabana. Why not? When new stuff arrives, I have to use it. These are only small sentiments in the stamp set. They're all little, but they're so cute. So, so cute. So let's just stamp that one there. And with our new punch, punch it out. I think this new oval punch might be one of my new favourites. Oh, so how much bigger is it than that one? It's No, it's a little bit bigger. Not a lot, but it is a little bit bigger. That's okay. That's good. And put that on. Yeah, and let's put our little cute little butterflies on to finish this all off. Come on, there you go. One there. Let's have them flying up here. I mean, I love the kangaroos in this set, obviously, but I just like the addition of the elements of these small little items, like the little hat and these adorable little butterflies. It's very, very cute. Put it on an angle. Let's pop some ribbon in here. Oops, that ribbon's nearly all gone. It's been one of my favorites. In this catalogue, we actually do have some very, very cute little clasps, which would also work with this one. I will be making other projects using those clasps, those little clips, I should say. And let's put that together, see if I can manage to tie. This ribbon is very shiny, this Night of Navy, and yep, it's a bit slippery. Come on there, here we go. Concentrating while I made that bow, and it came out first pop. Look at that. Here we are. And that is this cute little fun pouch. Done. There we are. And you have it. So I've popped all the dimensions for how to make this little treat pouch at the bottom of the description bar. And I've also put a link to my Stampin' Up website. Now, if you live in Australia and you don't have a Stampin' Up demonstrator and you'd like a copy of the mini catalogue and the celebration catalogue, please feel free to contact me via my Stampin' Up website, which is stampingmary.stampinup.net, or you can email me, stampingmary, that's MERRY, @gmail.com. Once again, thank you so much for watching and have a really great and crafty day.